Hey guys, it's RD Techie, and today we have another mystery t-shirt unpacking. So you guys liked it the last time I did this, so I'll see you guys on the other side of the intro. So we did this kind of video about a year ago, and I bought 10 mystery t-shirts from Redwolf. We checked it out. I bought 10 mystery t-shirts from Sold Store. We checked it out. You guys enjoyed it. I loved making it, and I still use those t-shirts to the day. So I thought, you know what? Let me go ahead and see if I can get even more. But sadly, they rarely in stock for XXL, which is the size I prefer for t-shirts. So I couldn't try it. But then there was a sale and they came in stock and I was able to get 5 t-shirts. That was it. They ran out of stock. I took the last 5 mystery t-shirts from Redwolf. So we're just going to dig right into it. I'm going to go ahead and cut, if I can find my knife. Okay, found the knife. So let's just dig right in. What I'm going to do is cut the top, right? So packaged directly from Redwolf. We have not opened it yet, so we're just gonna go ahead and cut the top right there. And I'm not gonna look, because the whole fun is the mystery bit, isn't it? I love doing this because usually I go and pick out designs, and you know what? I pretty much kind of saturated that because of you guys. You guys keep buying with the code that's on your screen right now, which nets you a discount on your first purchase and gives me Redwolf money. And I spent that money buying t-shirts and stickers and all that. So I pretty much tapped out everything I wanted. So I thought, you know what? Let me do this. Let's see what I get with mystery. So the first t-shirt that we get, okay, is gonna be, I'm gonna make sure it's just one t-shirt that I'm pulling out. I'm not looking. That's still one. All right, this is the t-shirt. It's Game of Thrones. I can't get away from it. It is Game of Thrones. And I think it's just like the Game of Thrones logo. I don't really know what this is, but I'm gonna, nicely done. I demand a trial by combat, Game of Thrones. There you go. First t-shirt is Game of Thrones. And you know, I don't like Game of Thrones, and you guys got really offended that I didn't like Game of Thrones. But you know what? I still don't like Game of Thrones. But that's the first t-shirt. 1 down, 4 to go. Let's go. I'm going to not look. It's very hard not looking. I don't really know what this is. Honestly, have no idea which one this is. Where's the opening? All right, let's go here. What is this one? This one says, give me all the bacon and eggs you have. This is the Parks and Rec guy, isn't he? I think. I love him. I've watched only a very little bit of that show. I haven't watched too much, but I really like it. And I mean, I can thoroughly get behind the sentiment. Give me all the bacon and eggs you have. So that was shirt number 2. It's 2 down, 3 to go. We only have 5. I'm kind of disappointed. Wanted to do 10, but they just didn't have 10 shirts. So Redwolf, if you're watching this, please stock XXL mystery t-shirts. I don't want to know why it's not stocked, because you already have other t-shirts. So mystery t-shirts would be those other t-shirts? I don't know. But anyways, please do stock it. Let's check. Not looking. I have a feeling this is Star Wars, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it is. I saw the writing. Oh, it's impossible to find out where this starts. Oh, there it is. Okay, here we go. This looks like a very nice Star Wars t-shirt. I'm kind of indifferent with Star Wars. I'm not crazy with it, but I don't hate it by a long shot, because I have watched all the movies and I do enjoy the movies. So this is Star Wars. So there you go. It is basically the periodic table of Star Wars, and it has Jedi Masters, Rebel Alliance, droids, scavengers and scoundrels, bounty hunters, the Empire, Sith Lords, and ships. So it's basically like the elemental table. So it's got C3 for C3PO. You got JB for Jabba the Hutt. BF for Boba Fett. He's getting really popular now because of the show. But yes, pretty cool t-shirt. Happy with that. That is 3 down, 2 to go. All right, let's find out. Oh yes, let's see. I'm not even looking. I'm gonna just keep my eyes on you guys. All right. I'm gonna try and get this on screen before I even see it. This is proving to be very difficult to do. All right, okay. What is it? It is Fight Like a Girl. Oh, that is pretty cool. Wonder Woman. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this too much, but it's pretty cool. I love this design. I love that design style where it's like a little, it's comic booky, but it's old school comic book. Fight Like a Girl, Wonder Woman. Pretty sweet. All right, last t-shirt. Let's make it a good one. I'm gonna try. Oh, I'm gonna just rip into it. I can't rip into it. The plastic is so good. Okay, you know what? I give up. I'm kind of like blurring my own eyes so I don't see what it is. It's a white t-shirt, which rarely is a good thing for me, but I'm gonna go, and there you go. Oh, yes! Yes! Walter White! This is amazing. I love this. Oh, this is the best t-shirt ever. Oh, thank you, Redwolf, for giving me this one. I didn't see this in the store because I would have bought it if I had seen it in the store. This is, for those of you who don't know, the guy from Breaking Bad, Brad, Walter White, and he's one of my favorite characters, and I own a couple of t-shirts with him. I have a Breaking Bad poster you can kind of see behind that wheel over there, and I'm a huge fan of the series. I'm a huge fan of the actor, Bryan Cranston. Amazing t-shirt. Thank you so much, Redwolf, for including this. This topped it out. This was amazing. All right, so Game of Thrones, Star Wars is cool. Bacon and Eggs, very good. Fight Like a Girl, pretty cool. I mean, Wonder Woman's not my favorite, but it's pretty cool superhero, so I'm okay with that. And Walter White in a white t-shirt. I mean, that's just a nice play on words. So whoever was doing that packing, I see you, sir. Good job. Aside from the weird wink I just gave you guys, if you want to do this, the link to the mystery t-shirts are given below. You can check many different sizes. Double XL, I usually just buy as I can get because it's not very common that it gets stocked, but they're really cool. They're very cheap compared to the other t-shirts, so it's a really nice way, but you kind of have to throw the dice. So buying one may not be as ideal as buying a couple, 3 or 4, and just in case you get one bad, it doesn't really bother you too much. But I think that's going to be it. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done it yet, make sure you hit that sub button. You can use the code that's on your screen right now from Redwolf to get yourself a discount on your first purchase, and I get some money on my Redwolf wallet. And the money I make on Redwolf, I spend it on Redwolf because they're Redwolf credits, and I buy all sorts of stuff like this. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Hope you're having a fantastic day ahead. Goodbye.